Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. In this video, I am going to explain the most important long answer questions, 7 marks questions from the trigonometry, ratios up to transformations. Okay, these questions are little bit tricky and you need to practice more again and again. Okay, so just revise the formula, whatever we are going to use in these problems, revise again and again. You have to practice these problems at least for 2 or 3 times, and whenever you are very confident without looking at the solution, okay, if you are able to solve the problem, okay, then you can stop. And even at the time of exams also, you need to put it on the paper. This is the most important LAQ, and this question is given in the 2021 model paper as well as the 2022 model paper also. Okay, so here, if A, B, C are angles in a triangle, prove that sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equals to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay, so what is given in this question? A, B, C are angles in a triangle. Okay, so A, B, C are angles in a triangle. Okay, if A, B, C are angles in a triangle, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees or pi. Okay, so here half angle formula, we may use half angle formula. So we'll see based on requirement. I'll explain. I'm leaving 2-3 lines to place here. Okay, so here take LHS here. Take LHS. LHS is equals to sin A plus sin B, okay, minus sin C. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Okay, first two terms I am going to apply the sin C plus sin D formula. Okay, what is the formula for sin C plus sin D, ma? Sin formula is sin cos cos sin. We have plus in the middle, we get first part, that is sin cos. Okay, what is the formula?
2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2.
Yes, very good. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Okay, so now I am going to apply the same formula here. Okay, so 2 into sin of C plus D, that means A plus B here. A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, cos of A minus B by 2. Okay, minus sin C writing as B. Okay, here A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Okay, so that means if we divide by 2, A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. So that means A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 by 2 is nothing but 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. We are going to use this, as well as we are also, if we are using this, means in terms of C also we use afterwards. Okay, I am writing the C by 2 value also. C by 2 is equals to 90 minus of A plus B by 2. 90 minus of A plus B by 2. This is the value of C by 2. Okay, so now this is very important, ma. Okay, so now we have to use A plus B by 2 replace with 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. Okay, so I am going to write this with 90 minus C by 2. Okay, so that is equals to 2 into sine of 90 minus C by 2. Okay, sine A plus B by 2. Okay, A plus B by 2 writing as 90 minus C by 2. Okay, what about the remaining cos A minus B by 2 as it is minus sin cos of A minus B by 2, okay, as it is, okay, and minus sin C, okay. Sin C, for sin C we use the half angle formula, sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. If it is sin theta, then 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Or otherwise, you can write like this also. Sin C we have, right? Sin C. Okay, so multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2. So now it is in the form of sin 2 theta. We can apply the sin. Okay, so now when we have 90 degrees, for sine we replace with cos, so we get cos C by 2, and 90 minus theta is first quadrant, all are positive, okay, and cos of A minus B by 2, okay. Here sine 2 theta formula, so minus, as it is I am writing 2 sine theta into cos theta, or 2 sine C by 2 into cos C by 2, 2 sine C by 2 cos C by 2. Okay, in both the terms, what we can take common? So 2 and cos C by 2 is common. If you take 2 cos C by 2 common, then cos of A minus B by 2, cos of A minus B by 2, and 2 and cos C by 2 common means minus sin C by 2 is remaining here. Okay, so now the outside part is as it is. Now we change inside cos of A minus B by 2 minus C by 2. What we can replace with C by 2? C by 2 we can replace with 90 minus of A plus B by 2. Okay, sine of 90 minus of A plus B by 2. Okay, so here we use the concept A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. From that only we are using this. Okay, and here we use the sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta, or otherwise you can remember sine theta. Sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, and next, this is equals to 2 into cos of C by 2 into this cos of A minus B by 2 as it is. When we have 90 degrees, the sign replaced with cos, so cos A minus here 90 minus theta is first quadrant, all are positive, so we get positive only. Okay, outside negative sign as it is, and cos of A plus B by 2, cos of A plus B by 2. Okay, now cos A plus B, cos A minus B formula, or cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So what we can write? Okay, so either you can use the direct formula, or you can use the normal cos A plus B formula also here. Okay, so this is equals to 2 into cos of C by 2 into, okay, so cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, right? Okay, we have minus sign, cos sin is a cos formula, we have minus sign, so first part gets cancelled, we get the second part, or otherwise write one step here. Okay, so cos A by 2 cos B by 2, we have minus in the middle, so we get plus, so sin A by 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos A minus B formula. Okay, by 2 is there, so we are writing by 2, and minus of cos A plus B formula. What is cos A plus B formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, so means if we multiply by minus, first part is negative, second part is positive. Okay, minus cos A by 2 cos B by 2 plus sin A by 2 sin B. Okay, so here we can cancel the first part. When we have the negative sign outside, always we cancel the first part and we get the second part. Sin A by 2, sin A by 2 is 2 sin A by 2, 2 sin A by 2. Okay, so that is nothing but we are going to get this as 2 into 2 into cos C by 2 is outside common, and cos A by sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin A by 2, sin B by 2. Okay, that is 2 sin A by 2, 2 sin A by 2, and sin B by 2. Okay, so finally we are going to get it as 2 times is 4, 2 times is 4. After that, first write the A angle, B angle, C angle order. Okay, so that is nothing but sin A by 2, A angle completed, sin B by 2, B angle completed, cos C by 2, C angle completed. Okay, once check the answer. Okay, what we have to prove? We have to prove 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2. Okay, is it the required answer? Yes, 4 sin A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2 is the required answer, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, this proved. Hence, the required answer is proved. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes.